Hello everyone, greetings of the day. And in my today's brand wheel lecture series, I would like to discuss about these 10 brands that did marketing so well, and people forgot the names of the original products. Yes, of course. When we are talking about the Xerox of a copy, well, did you know Xerox is the name of a brand, but the product service it provided is making copies of the original papers. But definitely, we all people are saying that yes, we have to go to Xerox the copy. But Xerox is the brand name of the photocopier machine. Or in a similar way, we have several brands in the market which marketed so well, and you know that their existence are great in the market and the positions in the minds of the customers also. So well, it's not your fault basically. These brands did marketing so well that people forgot the name of the products. Yes, of course. The first brand which I would like to talk about is the Bisleri. Yes, Bisleri is a word that automatically has us imagining a bottle with that greenish tint of cover and the feelings of satisfaction it brings. So, planning a road trip, if you are planning a road trip, carry a carton of Bisleri along with you. Scouting for something to quench your thirst after a round of local market. Yes, of course. Again, the name comes on your mind is that the Bisleri. So now you see it didn't you? Bisleri has replaced the standard term of the actual product we look for, and a bottle of mineral water for us it's just is Bisleri now. So that's what that how effectively the marketing process has done by the marketer to build up the brand in the minds of the customers. Then second brand, the popular brand is the Fevicol. Yes, whenever there is any assignment during our school days or any submissions or projects in our college, so the first line or stationary item in the checkbox was always the Fevicol, and a must have for all types of work and situations launched by the Pidilite. Yes, the Pidilite is the producer of this Fevicol brand. And after that, the Fevicol replaced glue stick, and nobody now goes to a shop to ask for glue or a glue stick. It's always says Fevicol, please. So that's another brand which marketed so well in the market, right? That actual product features and functionalities we have forget all. Third brand is the Sanmaika. Yes, an original made in India and a heritage brand of India. When most Indians say Sanmaika now, it simply means laminates. Yes, when we are laminates are in the furnitures etc. or this shelves etc. So why? Because Sanmaika is a lamination company and working with the best materials, colors, and artisans' work. So ultimately, the name comes in your mind that the Sanmaika, as this is another brand which is so marketed well in India that everybody knows about this Sanmaika. Then the fourth brand is the JCB, a world-renowned construction and excavation brand. Yes, it is headquartered in Rochester, and however, in India and many places abroad, it has established a presence by replacing common words like mechanical diggers or excavations, etc. So JCB is so much in demand. Oxford has officially added the word in its dictionary. So that is the popularity of that brand JCB. So another brand we have in the category is the Pampers. Yes, Pamper is a brand that is known for its quality and economical pricing. Every newborn, baby look for Pampers in the shopping sale, but at the end of the day, the product is a diaper. Yes, available by many other brands now. So, however, the brand is more renowned any day. So, Pampers you cannot forget while you are taking care of your children. Okay. And the next brand which is so marketed well is the M Seal, as the name suggests itself. So naming is important when we are talking about the brand also, because that gives the boost up to the marketing values and the marketers. So M Seal, just like the name suggests, it is a brand again by Pidilite for sealing, joining leaks or two separate metals. Yes, if you have a breakdown of two metals, then it helps you to join the two separate metals. And at the end of the day, it is a sealant, but you would hardly see anyone go asking around for a sealant, yes, when the problem strikes. But it's always M seal, and well, it is worth it also. So that's again the important marketing fundamental used by the M seal, as the name itself suggests, the presence of that brand in the mind of the customers. Yes, the Parle G, another brand, has engraved the image of a cute kid eating a little biscuits with an adorable yet quirky expressions. It is this huge marketing campaign that has allowed Parle G to be the de facto biscuit brand of the country. Yes, when a housewife makes a grocery order, she does not ask for breakfast plain biscuits. She directly asks for the Parle G. Yes, this is the Parle G positioning in the minds of the households and the housemakers also. So that gives again an idea that how the Parle G works and creates a impact in the minds of the customers and marketed so well, right? Then next brand we have this Dalda. Yes, one of the first few companies to launch a multi-dimensional ad campaign, and it covered everything to movie theaters to road hoardings during its initial days itself. So Dalda is a brand that sells vegetable oil, but now when anyone goes to a shop to might as well purchase vegetable oil from any other brand, they always ask for the Dalda all the time. Vanaspati, Dalda, Gagan, right? We can say. Then another brand, yes, is a most popular brand when we are talking about the mosquito repellent. Yes, the product, it is a mosquito repellent liquid that converts itself to air particles for easy functionalities. But no, when we order, we say all out good night. Three words which otherwise would have made zero sense when placed together. So, but then again, thanks to all out innovative and updated marketing campaigns, yes, they are coming up with the innovative marketing campaigns, and all out is the another name which marketed so well in the market and have a great existence in the you know uh, in the minds of the customers, well, when we are talking about the brand positioning of all out. The next we have the Jeep. Yes, Jeep is a brand, right? Those cars in movies, riding in farms during a vacation, everyone would spot a Jeep. So, however, not many know, not all such open adventure cars are Jeep manufactured, but the branding is such. Even if anyone spots a Mahindra SUV, the first thought that comes to our heads is that a Jeep? Yes, not as a brand, but as a car type itself. So every brand should take inspiration from the ones mentioned above, where each brand has so marketed the product so vigorously that the being of product is replaced with the name of the brand. Okay, although they are the simple product category, but they are so marketed well. So these 10 brands has its own existence in a market, and the actual product the customers has forgotten, and they are just remembering the name, that all out in the case of the mosquito repellent, Pampers in the case of your child care, right? uh, JCB in the case of the excavation and digging, etc. And in a similar way, the biscuits in the case of Parle G, adventure in the case of Jeep, right? So these are the fundamentals of the marketing and branding by which the companies are holding the the next generation position in the minds of the customers. Thank you so much for this lecture also, and take care of yourself and take care of your family also, uh, and till then, bye bye. And I would be coming with more lectures for your